Welcome to The Curious Mind, your favourite place to explore simple, smart and practical ways to grow your online presence. In today's video, we're diving into something that can change your freelancing journey: how to create a perfect Fiverr profile. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone trying to improve their gigs, I'm here to guide you step by step. So sit back, relax, and let the curious mind help you unlock your true freelancing potential. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and go to fiverr.com. Once you're on the home page, click on Join in the top right corner. You can sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, Apple ID, or your email. Choose whichever option you prefer. If you sign up with email, Fiverr will send you a confirmation link, so make sure to verify your email. Next, set up your profile. Click on your profile picture and select either Profile or Become a Seller. Then click Continue. Now fill in your personal information, including your full name, a professional profile picture, a short description about yourself, the languages you speak, and your skills. Write a clear and friendly description. Tell clients who you are, what you offer, and why they should trust you. Fiverr will also ask you to add your skills. Select the ones that match your services, such as graphic design, social media management, video editing, or writing. You can also choose your experience level: beginner, intermediate, or expert. If you have any degrees or certifications, add them here as well. This helps you stand out and builds trust with potential buyers. Fiverr also allows you to connect social profiles like Facebook, Google, GitHub, or Behance. This step is optional, but it adds extra credibility to your profile. Once your profile is complete, it's time to create your first gig. This is the service you'll be offering on Fiverr. You'll need to set a gig title, select a category, add search tags, create pricing packages, write a description, fill out the FAQ section, upload images or a short video, and specify any requirements you need from the buyer. Make your gig title clear and simple. Write a detailed description and include professional images or samples of your work. When everything looks good, click Publish. I'll teach you how to make an outstanding gig in the next video with full tutorial. Congratulations! Your Fiverr profile are now live. Clients can now find you and place their orders. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you want a tutorial on how to rank your gig or get your first order fast, let me know in the comments.